Exercise 5.4. Find the equation of the two tangents that can be drawn from the point 5, 2 to the ellipse 2x square plus 7y square is equal to 14. You are asked to find the equation of two tangents which is drawn from the point 5, 2 to this ellipse 2x square plus 7y square is equal to 14. Now let's see the diagram. Draw x-axis and y-axis and draw a rough diagram of ellipse. Mark a point 5, 2 and draw a tangent to the ellipse. Here we have two tangents. Okay. So we have to find the equation of two tangents. You know the formula for the equation of the tangent to the ellipse. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. And you also have another formula. If you are given an equation of a curve, you can put x square as xx1 and y square as yy1. Okay. அது எப்போ நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் த டேஞ்சண்ட்டை கொடுத்துருக்கிற கர்வோடைய ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்ம டேஞ்சண்ட்டாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணோம்னா எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயரை xx1 சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம் ஒய் ஸ்கொயரை yy1 சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம். பட் இங்கே அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலை. ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் த டேஞ்சண்ட் ஃபார்முலாவே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். பிகாஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கிற பாயிண்ட் 5, 2ங்கிறது எலிப்ஸ் மேலேயே இருந்ததுன்னா அந்த பாயிண்ட் எலிப்ஸும் காமனாக இருக்கும், டேஞ்சண்ட்டுக்கும் அந்த பாயிண்ட் காமனாக இருக்கும். பட் இந்த பாயிண்ட் tangent மேலே மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு, ellipse மேலே curve மேலே இல்லை. So we cannot use that formula. So we are using y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. So எந்த formula யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத இப்போ கிளியராக இருப்பீங்க. Okay. Now y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Name it as equation 1. இங்கே m அப்படிங்கிறது அந்த லைனுடைய slope. Okay. And a square b squareங்கிறது curve. curve touch பண்ணியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா tangent. So அதில் இங்கே ellipse சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So ellipseல standard form of the ellipse என்ன x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. அதோடைய a square b square தான் இது. Okay. Name it as equation 1. Now let us write the given equation of the ellipse in standard form. We have 2x square plus 7y square is equal to 14. This is standard form la எழுதலாம். Divided by 14 on both the sides. So we have 2x square by 14 plus 7y square divided by 14 is equal to, when you divide it by 14, it gets cancelled. So you have 1. And இங்கேயும் cancel பண்ணிடுங்க. x square by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So we have y square divided by 2 which is equal to 1. So what you have? X square by 7 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. So standard form of the ellipse la nama kondu vandutom. Ida equation of the ellipse standard form la oda compare pannalam. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So in the place of a square you have 7 and in the place of b square we have 2. So write a square as 7 and b square is equal to 2. Now let us substitute these two values in equation 1. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square, that is 7m square plus b square plus 2. And name it as equation 2. Now let us substitute the point 5, 2. In the point in the equation la substitute பண்றோம்னா this is the equation of tangent. So அந்த diagram startingலே draw பண்ணியிருந்தோம் பாருங்க 5, 2. So இங்கிருந்து தான் tangent pass ஆகுது. So இந்த point வந்து tangent மேல lie ஆயிருக்கு. அப்போ இந்த point tangent satisfy பண்ணும். Okay. So let us substitute 5, 2 in the place of x, y in equation 2. Therefore in the place of y write 2 which is equal to mx, that is m into 5 plus or minus root of 7m square plus 2. Now bring this m5, that is 5m to the left hand side. So we have 2 minus 5m is equal to plus or minus root of 7m square plus 2. In the square root vanish பண்றதுக்கு let us square on both sides. 2 minus 5m the whole square is equal to, so plus or minus square பண்ணும்போது obviously it becomes positive. So இந்த plus or minus இங்க எழுத வேண்டாம். Root of 7m square plus 2 the whole square. Now square and square root gets vanishes. Okay. Now this is of the form a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. That's the expansion. So you have 4 minus 2ab. 2 into 5m plus b square. 5m the whole square. The right hand side you have 7m square plus 2. Which is equal to 4 minus, multiply 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 20m plus 5 square is 25. 25m square is equal to 7m square plus 2. Now you can observe that this is an equation of quadratic form. So 25m square inga 7m square irukku, which is greater? 25m square is greater. So bring the right hand side to the left hand side. Lesser one da nama other side kondu varuvom. So 25m square minus 7m square, which becomes 18m square minus 20m. So constant 4 irukku, inga right side la constant 2 irukku, bring it to the left hand side. So 4 minus 2 becomes 2. So we have got a quadratic equation in terms of m. 18m square minus 20m plus 2 is equal to 0. All these three terms are divisible by 2. So let us divide it by 2. So which becomes 9m square minus 10m plus 1 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation la thane irukku. Now let us simplify. So in the middle term la you have minus 10. So addition, multiplication, write minus 10. 9 ones are 9. Now let us select any two numbers that must satisfy both. Okay, so 9 into 1, 9 1 select panamna 9 ones are 9, add panamna 10 varum, but minus varala illaya. So minus and minus inga include panunga. So it becomes minus into minus plus, 9 ones are 9. When you add it up you get minus 10. So idu suit agudhu. Now here in the coefficient of m square we have 9. So on the 9 ala let us divided by these two terms. So minus 9 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So cancel it, you get minus 1 and another number is minus 1 by 9. அப்போ இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? m minus 1. Either in the number 9m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m minus 1 is equal to 0 and 9m minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get m is equal to 1 and here we have 9m is equal to 1. That is m is equal to 1 by 9. So we have got two values of m. m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1 by 9. Again, we are going to use equation 2. So equation 2 la, we are going to substitute the values of m. So inga irukku parunga, y is equal to mx plus or minus root of 7m square plus 2. This is equation 2. Now put m is equal to 1 in this equation. Y is equal to m irukadutla 1 substitute pannunga. So x plus or minus root of 7m square plus 2 root of 7 m square, that is 1 square, which is 1 plus 2. Y is equal to x plus or minus root of 7 plus 2 is 9. So we have root 9. Root 9 value another 3. So we have y is equal to x plus or minus 3. Now bring x is positive. So let it be in the right hand side itself. Y right side kondu varalam. So we have x minus y plus or minus 3 is equal to 0. That is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Another equation is x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Inga two equations irukku. This is equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent, and the tangent line மேல தான் 0.5,2 இருக்கு. So அந்த 5,2 இதுல substitute பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா both the equation must get satisfied. Okay, 5,2 இதுல substitute பண்ணுங்க. 5 minus 2 which is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So இந்த equation satisfy பண்ணல. 6 0 equal இதுல substitute பண்ணோம்னா left hand side 6 வருது. So we cannot take this as the equation of tangent. So இது omission பண்ணிடலாம். x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. இதுல 5 and 2 substitute பண்ணுங்க. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. And one more value we have to substitute in equation 2. m is equal to 1 தான் நம்ம substitute பண்ணோம். Let us substitute m is equal to 1 by 9. Now substitute m is equal to 1 by 9 in equation 2. Equation 2 la enna irundhathu? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of 7m square plus 2. 7m square plus 2. So inga nama m value substitute panna porom. So we have y is equal to mx. In the place of m, write 1 by 9 plus or minus root of 7m square. 1 by 9 square is 1 by 81 plus 2. Y is equal to 1 by 9x plus or minus 81 root of 81 into 2 is 162. So we have 7 plus 162 divided by 81. Root of 7 plus 162 divided by 81. That is y is equal to 1 by 9x plus or minus root of, add it up, 162 plus 7 which is 169 divided by 81. y is equal to x by 9 plus or minus, this is a perfect square. Okay, 169 ங்கிறது 13 into 13, so 13. 81 ங்கிறது 9 into 9, so write 9. In both the terms, in the denominator we have 9, so bring it here. 9y which is equal to x plus or minus 13. 9y is equal to x plus or minus 13. Bring this 9y to the right hand side. So we have x minus 9y plus or minus 13 is equal to 0. So plus or minus in irukku. Let us split in two equations. X minus 9y plus 13 is equal to 0, and another equation is x minus 9y minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the two tangents that satisfy the point 5, 2. So, இதை எடுத்துக்க முடியாது because இது equation of the tangent 5, 2 satisfy பண்ணியிருக்கணும். இங்க 5 and 2 substitute பண்ணுங்க. 5 minus 18. 5 minus 18 ன்றது என்னது? Minus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 is 0. So, 0 is equal to 0 வருது. So, இது equation of the tangent. இங்க 5 and 2 substitute பண்ணுங்க. 5 minus 18 which is minus 13. Minus 13 and minus 13 is minus 26. Minus 26 உம் 0 உம் equal. It's not possible. So, இதை நம்ம எடுத்துக்க வேண்டாம். So, consider this equation. So, already x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 satisfy another pathom nama. X minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. And now, m is equal to 1 by 9 substitute பண்ணும்போது, this equation gets satisfied. X minus 9y minus 13. X minus 9y plus 13 is equal to 0. Thank you, children.